You probably use your phone a lot, right? While traveling abroad, taking photo after photo after photo. And when you finally decide to sit down at a nice cafe, you will ask yourself two things. What's the Wi-Fi password? And where is the plug? The only problem is, you're in a city far from home. If only you were more prepared. More nimble. The Nimble is the world's first travel adapter to feature dual Type-C charging ports. Independently powered from the rest of the adapter, the QC and PD port ensures there is always enough wattage to power your larger devices. It's universally armed with adapters suitable for over 250 countries, supporting a wide range of devices. Nimble can safely transfer energy twice as fast from any socket on the planet. Nimble allows you to be safe and seamless wherever you go. It's lightweight and fun-sized. You won't even notice you have it with you until you need it the most. With Nimble, you can travel like a pro and charge like a local.
Hi, we are iBlockCube. We are so happy to finally announce our first Kickstarter project.
The Nimble has been in the making for over 1 year now, as we've been perfecting the way we travel, but also preparing for the future as more and more devices change from USB to Type-C. As you can see, the Apple iPad has already moved from Lightning to Type-C, and we can expect the Apple iPhone to do the same this September.
The Nimble was born from our frustration from visiting different places with only one power outlet and multiple gadgets to be charged.
I was particularly annoyed as I could not find a travel adapter with 2 Type-C ports that could handle the demand of more powerful devices such as my Mac and my Switch. That is why we created the Nimble to be the only charger you ever need to power everything from your laptop, your phone, and everything in between.
It has been an amazing journey so far, from designing to prototyping. We hope to continue to develop our idea to help you travel like a pro.
Please check out the pledges below, and thank you in advance for making all of this happen.
Thank you.